What's up, you guys? We are here at Rama 8 Bridge or Praram 8 Bridge here in Bangkok, Thailand. Let's go to Rama 8 Bridge. Alright guys, so here we are on the bus going to Rama 8, and as you can see, this is the public transportation here in Thailand, and it is amazing. The bus is amazing because where's my S? Because it is made out of wood. Look at the floor, guys. Alright, so here it is. This is the night view, and as you can see, it's color yellow, or the color is golden. There are a lot of people playing skateboards or skates under the bridge. Hello guys, so I left my friend over there because I feel hungry, and I'm going to have 100 baht challenge snack. Okay, first stop is here. 20 baht. Chicken heart, quail egg with wonton wrapper, chicken liver. Hi doggy, I already finished the barbecue. Sorry. Oh, you're so cute. Do you like this one? It's a dessert. Sorry, bye-bye. Bye-bye. This is a dessert. This is sweet, okay? This is so sweet. It's not okay for you.
Uy, aroy mak. And then that's it. And then vegetables.
My
เอาแซ่บไหม
แซ่บน้อยหน่อยนิดหน่อยอ้ายเอา
So
อ้าย
guys.
โอเค
See, it's
ค่ะ
like here in Thailand.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Okay, so peanuts เป็นถั่วใช่ไหมครับ
ไม่ใช่
ไม่ใช่เป็น
มิด
ถั่ว
นะ
เหรอ Okay, and then มะนาวใช่ไหมครับมะนาว and then น้ำตาล sugar and then mix รวมayan mix okay tapos yan wow with vegetables too.
It cost 60 baht. Hugasan lang po din.
Ayan, kulo lang mga seswang.
Hinuhugasan.
Ayan, kulo lang.
Kulo ng mga 10 seconds.
Pakulo lang mga ano. And then, there.
Oh my god, my battery is empty.
There you go. And then mix again.
Ay, parang ang dami.
Chay.
Kainin na natin yun.
Hati na tayo dyan, sis. Tapos bahala na lang tayo ng dalawang ano. Para at least 30 lang tayo. 30 baht. Yan, ang dami pala mga seswang. Okay. So, hati na lang kami dito ni Mat.
What's up, guys? So, I am here at Rama 8, Bangkok, Thailand. So, you can see here the Chao Phraya River and this Rama 8. at that view over there. It is the first and only river bridge in Thailand with the asymmetrical cable-stayed style, and in addition, it is the fifth longest bridge with this asymmetrical cable-stayed style in the world. The recreation area, the space by Chao Phraya River, is suitable for variable uses from walking, running, chilling out, to organizing events, festival, and performances, particularly the traditional activities. People can come to exercise or relax and surrounded by the pleasant atmosphere and remarkable landscape by the side of Chao Phraya River. Rama in Bangkok, Thailand. What's up, you guys? We are here at Rama 8 Bridge or Praram 8 Bridge, and Look at that. All right. Bye.